Hello guys, in our first video we have seen the Crimping hydraulic crimping tool for 10 to 300 square mm. Now this is the next version tool. This is capacity is 50 to 500 square mm with a large pump, and this pump can crimp in just 5 pumps. These are the dies. Now this is again on off tab. To start we need to on this tab. Okay, now I just start pumping. That's it. To release, again use this tab, just rotate anti-clockwise. Done. That's it. Again to start crimp, rotate clockwise. This is how we can change the dies. It's a very heavy duty tool. If you're looking for a good quality tool, you can use this. And tool is also not very heavy, it's very light in weight, heavy duty quality. This is extra oil seals provided by company. If you like this video, please share this video. Thank you very much.